Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we're gonna cover some basic settings for your robot programming. When you enter your program in robot programming, it is very likely that you have inserted some basic command and advanced command and start to program for a robot operation. But it's also very easy to neglect that you can also configure your robot programming itself. Similarly to adding a move and waypoint, you can actually click robot programming and go into a command tab. In here, you can see there are multiple settings here. First, you can set your program start waypoint. It'll automatically choose a waypoint such as a home or a first waypoint, or you can actually customize which waypoint you want it to start at. You can also set the start speed fraction and then add before start sequence, after pause sequence, after stop sequence, and add before resume sequence. Let me try to add these right now. And you can see that these sequences are separated from robot programming, so they are useful in these cases. For example, before start, you can configure some of your connected device, such as a gripper, and you can wait for a gripper to successfully connect before you run your main robot operation. One other ways to configure robot program is to go to settings. In here, if you click program, you can also customize these two options. So once you create a program, you can have it default loop continuously or only once. And then for editing program, you can also stop program when you're editing it, or you can disable program editing when the robot is running. And back to the program, you can see that the program looks wherever is also here. And that's some of the settings that you can use for your robot programming. Thank you for watching.